Benching show. I'm just trying to skin them up. I'm just trying to take all this silver skin off as much as I can. You don't have to take all of it off. Some of it's gonna burn off in the grill. If you notice, there's a lot of striations of fat in the meat. Fat is good because it's gonna help protect the meat. It's also gonna keep it juicy. I'm really just looking for silver skin to pull off like this crap right here. It's gonna be chewy in your mouth and you know, it's not gonna be a good bite. You don't want that. You don't want that. That's just how it's gonna be in your mouth, chewy. You gotta look under there. It's fat, but it's also silver skin. Disguised as fat. You can't eat that. And when you get up under it, look at those beautiful strands of fat. That's flavor. That's gonna take your mouth to Flavor Town. Jack Daniel's steak season. That's it. So we're gonna take some olive oil. Nice little drizzle. Just work it in there. This is nothing more than just to help this rub adhere to the meat and come right over it. Heavy dose, because some of it's gonna fall off in the grill when you cook it, and it's a big piece of meat, and you're only getting a slice of it, so it's not like it's gonna be extra salty. And that's it. You wanna go real heavy, real heavy. Again, this is a big piece of meat. You're not eating it like a big steak. You're eating it in small slices. The salt is gonna go in here and draw out the moisture, and the moisture is gonna help this rub tack on. You smoke it first, take it to about 100 degrees, and then rock it out on a hot grill to about 130, and you're rocking and rolling. A little essence of smoke. Awesomeness. 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 Trust me, you'll thank me later. A little handful. That was 3. I'm gonna go with 6. And shut the thing. Let it do what it does. Because really, you're not trying to cook it. You're just trying to infuse some flavor into it. And take it to maybe about 100 degrees. It may take you an hour, 30 minutes. And then finish it over a hot grill. Sear it on both sides. And just stick it to the back of the grill. 130, take it off. It's gonna walk its way to about 140, which would be like medium. Perfect. You gotta find the grains. If you notice, like on this tri-tip, they're running 2 different ways. You've got grains running this way, and then on this end, they're running straight down. So usually what you do is you cut right in the middle, and then cut against the grain. It's kind of like a point, right down the middle. So these grains are running this way. So what we're gonna do is cut this one like the point of a brisket sideways. You're gonna slice it just like that. Nice thin slices. You can tell it took on some smoke. Look at that beautiful smoke ring. Beautiful smoke ring. Little pecan smoke. That's why you smoke it first. Western pecan.